White House release published Thursday, December 11, 2025. Ensuring a national policy framework for artificial intelligence. The President has issued an executive order to strengthen United States leadership in artificial intelligence. The order states that U.S. dominance in AI is vital for national and economic security. It highlights progress made by updating federal regulations to encourage AI adoption. The President warns that state-by-state AI regulation creates a patchwork of rules. This makes compliance difficult, especially for startups. The order criticizes state laws that may require AI models to embed ideological bias or produce false results. It also notes that some state laws may improperly affect interstate commerce. The administration calls for a single, national standard for AI regulation. This framework should prevent conflicting state laws and ensure protection for children, respect for copyrights, and community safety. Until a national standard is in place, the administration will act to challenge state laws that hinder innovation. The policy of the United States is to maintain global AI dominance through a minimally burdensome national framework. Within 30 days, the Attorney General will create an AI litigation task force to challenge state AI laws that conflict with the new federal policy or violate the Constitution. Within 90 days, the Secretary of Commerce will publish an evaluation of existing state AI laws. This review will identify laws that conflict with federal policy or require AI models to alter truthful outputs. It will also note any state laws that promote innovation. The order sets restrictions on state funding. States with onerous AI laws may lose access to certain federal funds, including those from the Broadband Equity Access and Deployment Program. Federal agencies will review their grant programs and may require states not to enforce conflicting AI laws as a condition for funding. Within 90 days of identifying problematic state laws, the Federal Communications Commission will consider adopting a federal reporting and disclosure standard for AI models that would override conflicting state rules. Within 90 days, the Federal Trade Commission will issue a policy statement on how federal law preempts state laws that require deceptive changes to AI model outputs. The Special Advisor for AI and Crypto and the Assistant to the President for Science and Technology will jointly prepare a legislative recommendation. This recommendation will establish a uniform federal policy framework for artificial intelligence and preempt conflicting state AI laws. However, the recommendation will not propose preempting otherwise lawful state AI laws related to child safety protections, AI compute and data center infrastructure except for general permitting reforms, state government procurement and use of AI, and other topics as determined. Nothing in this order impairs the authority granted by law to any executive department or agency, or the functions of the Director of the Office of Management and Budget regarding budget administration or legislative proposals. This order will be implemented according to applicable law and subject to available appropriations. It does not create any enforceable right or benefit for any party against the United States or its entities. The Department of Commerce will cover the costs for publication of this order. Thanks for listening. The full source material for this summary is in the description below.